boys and girls, happy Thursday. We're going to wrap up our review of topic 3. Remember, we're going back and looking at topics we've already covered, and we're not doing every lesson in each topic. We're sort of picking out the ones that we felt that might be helpful to review. So today we're continuing with area models. We're just using larger numbers now. So it's a continuation of partial products and area models from yesterday. Nothing's better than a little math humor on a Thursday. So what do you call a fashionable math problem? America's Next Top Area Model. Get it? Okay, so let's review. We're going to use a word problem right out of the book today. So here, the Rails to Trails Preservation opened a new section of a biking trail. The section is 6 yards wide. What is the area? Well, we know over here that the length is 1,842 yards. To define the area, I would have to multiply, right? So I'm going to model the area model and then also the partial products algorithm. So here I set up my box, my area model box. I put the 6 on the outside. I broke apart that 1,842 like expanded form according to place value. So I have 1,840 and a 2. And then I'm just going to multiply. So 6 times 1,000 is 6,000. 6 times 800 is 4,800. 6 times 40 is 240. And then 6 times 2 is 12. These are all of our partial products, right? If you add them up, the sum would be 11,052. So another strategy would be to use the partial products algorithm. It's the same concept. It's just sort of represented a different way. So you would set it up like you would traditionally do a multiplication problem, but now we're going to multiply by place value. So 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 40 is 240. 6 times 800 is 4,800. 6 times 1,000 is 6,000. Notice these are the same partial products that you saw over here. And then you're adding them up to find the sum, which is 11,052. Okay? Let's look at another one. So let's try one together. I have my pen ready in hot pink. So 5 times 1,117. I'm going to do the area model first. So I set it up. I broke apart the 1,117 by place value. So 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. Oh, isn't that pretty today? 5 times 100 is 500. 5 times 10 is 50. And then 5 times 7 is 35. So I'm going to rewrite these. And I think the pink is actually sort of hard to see. So let's try green. 5,000. And I bet many of you could do this mentally. Plus 500. Plus 50. Plus 35. And I know so many of you have already done this mentally, and you're just like, come on, Miss Ross. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus nothing is 5. Ooh, that's a smushy one. And then 5 plus nothing is 5. So 5,585. Let's see what it would look like using our partial products. So I'm going to multiply by place value. 5 times 7 is 35. I'm trying my hardest. 5 times 10 is 50. Notice again, these are the same partial products that we saw before. 5 times 100 is 500. And then 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. Look at that. Go me. Okay, I'm going to add up my partial products. 5 plus nothing is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus nothing is 5. And 5 plus nothing. So either strategy I used, I got 5,585. And we're going to move on to our last slide, which is just thinking about it a different way. So they might represent it giving you the area model, and you have to come up with the original numerical expression. So we know it's going to be 6 times something, 6 times. And then if I think of expanded form, 4,327. So just putting it all together, 4,327. So they're not looking for us to solve it here. They just want to know what the original expression would be. Okay. Happy Thursday, everybody. Have a great day. You will have topic 3 challenge.